In DICloak, you can restrict logins for high-risk members by configuring member IP restriction. First, navigate to Global Settings. Click on Security Settings and enable Member IP Restriction. This will automatically activate Proxy Connection Limit to prevent bypassing the IP block using a proxy or VPN. You can choose either block specified IP addresses or allow specified IP addresses. Then enter individual IP or IP ranges in the IP list. Multiple entries are supported. Simply add each on a new line. Once you click Confirm, the restrictions take effect immediately. This restriction does not apply to the super admins. When a restricted member tries to log in, they will see a notification that their IP has been blocked. Even if they were already logged in before the restriction, they will be unable to open any profiles and will be logged out automatically, returning to the login page. Important note: this feature requires all members to upgrade to version v2, 7, 3 or higher. You can set the available versions in Global Settings, Version Restriction. Set the groups you want to restrict. Then click Confirm to enforce the requirement.